This video will show you how to get your alphabet photography letters into the template that I've provided. And this will ensure that you have all 26 letters and that they are all in the correct order. Here are two examples from students, and you can kind of see how they were able to create unity based on these were objects found in the classroom, and the way this provided unity was through black and white. So they changed the photos to black and white. So first things first, we need to get our photos from our phone or our cameras onto the computer. So if you're not able to do that, you might have to manually do that by, especially on your phone, putting your photo directly onto Drive. So if you have Drive on your phone, you can upload your photos there. I have some photos here that I went ahead and started. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll just right click on, we'll do this for my A that I found. So I'll right click and do download. This is my B, so we'll download that one. This is my C, so right-clicking and downloading on my Drive photos, and that'll allow me to get those onto my computers. My D, it's an F. I can't remember this one. Sometimes they're really abstract, and you might have to do some editing, so I'm just going to download all of them, and then we're going to do a little bit of editing first. You may or may not need to do any editing, but I just want to quick show you how you can do some editing using Photopea, which is the free editor. And now that I have them all downloaded, I can go into File Open, and I can open up each of those images. So let's just do this one to start with. So this is my letter A. From here, maybe I want to do a little bit of resizing. I can easily crop by just using the crop tool and hitting enter. I can go to image adjustments. I can change the color. I can change it to black and white if I want it to be black and white. So feel free to edit photos as you need to. I don't think I'm going to have to do a ton of editing because you can do some editing in Canva as well. So you get the template provided. Right here is where it says click for the template. So when we go into slideshow mode here, we can click on that template. It's going to take us to Canva, and I'm going to go to use template for new design. And this is going to create your own copy of the template. Now we can go into uploads, and I can go to upload files and upload those alphabet photos. So I'll just start with, let's start with this one. Here we go. And here's my B and my C. And then we'll just do A, B, C, D, I think. We'll just start with here. Okay, and while those are loading too, I'll just quick show you, you can change the background color on this if you don't want it to be black. Go ahead and just click on the background, change that to, whatever color you want. If you want to customize the color, you can easily customize that here. There's like gradients if you want to play around with that. You're more than welcome to do that. We'll do stuff like that for now. Now I can just click and drag over to those placeholders. So there's my A. If you need to do some editing of the image, you can click on the image and press edit and do a little bit of editing there. You can also change colors. There's the background remover. You can do adjustments here. So in each of these images, you can also simply, if I go down here, if I drag my saturation down, that will let me change it black and white. It's kind of a quick way to edit. You can adjust, clarity, zoom in and out. Like if I want it to be zoomed in, do something like that, right? So a lot of ways you can easily do editing in Canva. I'm going to go ahead and grab my B here. Now my B, I'm going to have to do a little bit of rotating. So let's try, I might try and do it in here if it'll let me. Yeah, there we go. Nice, not too bad. My very abstract B. Might move it over just a little bit. There. Okay, actually I'm going to make it a little smaller again. Cool. All right. And then my C, which I'm also going to have to do a little rotating. Double click on that. Rotate. Maybe resize if I can. There we go. There you go. So there's C. Here's my D, which I'll also rotate. So it's pretty much just drag and drop from here. know if you can see that D so much, but it's there. It's a very skinny D. All right, and you're going to fill in all of those letters. So just make sure they're in order, A through Z. You're going to put your name over here. So I could just type in my name. You can move that over if you want. And once you have all of your letters in there, you're going to go to Share and then Download, and you'll choose your file type. I prefer JPEG just because it's a smaller file size, but you're welcome to do other file sizes if your teacher tells you to. And from there, you're just going to upload your finished alphabet photo project, and you're pretty much done.